Alright, I filmed here years ago. This is with the good camera. As you can see, you have to do it like that. 4 is locked. Go to 3. I think these used to be Westinghouse. Back to 1. These are 330A, very clearly from the 70s. But I figured I'd come back and get a good video here while we're out of focus, got the good camera. Inspection sheet. Not much to see, but you know. This makes me wonder if it's a 321A because it's a 2,100 pound capacity. I have no idea. Got the old lanterns. There it goes. And that's it. So this is a view out, so you can see very clearly that this part was added on. This is on the 3rd floor, but I wanted to show you, if I can shine a light, interlock, you can see not much, but you can see a little bit up the shaft.